So in front of you are 4 shapes. The first shape is a circle divided into 4 quadrants. Ito yung tinatawag na life wheel. Ano tong life wheel? Ito ang pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa sa atin. 0 to 20 years old, ang ginagawa lang natin dyan ay study and play. Wala tayong masyadong inaalala. Hingi lang ng allowance sa magulang. And then 20 to 40 years old, the second chapter of our lives, ito na yung nagsisimula na tayo sa workforce. Nagtatrabaho na tayo. Baka yung iba nagsisimula na ng pamilya. Nagkakaroon na ng asawa, ng anak. Bumibili na ng bahay, ng kotse. Diba? Financial security na. Comfort, security ang hinahanap. And then 40 to 60 years old, yaan naman, baka mamaya sawa na tayo sa pagiging empleyado or nagtayo tayo ng negosyo or naghanap na ng bagong trabaho or bumili na ng bagong bahay for retirement. Itong chapter, na third, 40 to 60, probably we're preparing for our retirement. This is the most important quadrant in our lives. Bakit? Kasi we are now entering the last phase or last quadrant of our lives, yung 60 to 80. Ito yung retirement age natin eh. So retired na tayo dyan. Wala na tayong income. So we have to make sure na kapag tayo ay nag-retire, meron tayong pera. Lahat kasi tayo tatanda. Ang mga kliyente natin tatanda. So we have to help them plan for their retirement. That's one. Okay, number 2, kaya rin importante itong third quadrant, this is also where nagpapaaral tayo ng college ng mga anak natin. So, nagpe-prepare tayo for our own retirement. We are financing the education of our children. And at the same time, during this stage, we are also helping our aging parents na retired na. So, napakalaki ng financial pressure during the third quadrant. Pinuin mo, nagpe-prepare ka for your own retirement, you're helping your children go to college, and you're supporting your parents through old age. So kapag hindi ka nakapag-prepare financially, may hirapan ka. And then yan, 60 to 80. So yan ang life wheel. Pagdadaanan natin lahat yan. So we have to make sure at every quadrant, at every stage, meron tayong financial plan in place.